Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into psychological facts that can completely change the way you connect with people. Today's topic is going to blow your mind. We're talking about 4 secret phrases that can make any woman, yes, even those in a relationship, feel an irresistible attraction to you. Now, before you get any crazy ideas, this video isn't about manipulating or disrespecting anyone. It's about understanding how to communicate in a way that makes genuine emotional connections. So if you're ready to uncover these powerful secrets, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notifications. You don't want to miss this one. Let's get started. Before we dive into the exact phrases, let's first understand why words can have such a powerful effect on people, especially women. Psychology shows that certain phrases, when said in the right way, tap into emotional triggers that can build deep rapport and create attraction. Women, as we know, are more emotionally attuned than men. They value emotional connections, trust, and validation. When the right words are used, it sparks something in their mind, making them feel seen, heard, and understood on a deep emotional level. This doesn't mean saying just any phrase will have the desired effect. You have to mean it, and it needs to resonate with her situation and emotions. It's all about authenticity and timing. Now let's dive into the 4 secret phrases. This simple phrase may seem basic, but when said sincerely, it can instantly build a connection with a woman. Many women, especially in relationships, may not always feel like their partner truly understands them. They want to be heard and validated. When you say, "I understand how you feel," it shows empathy. It tells her that you're not just listening to her words, but are truly absorbing her emotion. You're showing that you are someone who gets her on a deeper level. Even women in relationships can be swayed by a man who seems to understand them more than their partner does. This phrase creates emotional intimacy, which can make a woman feel more comfortable and drawn to you. But remember, guys, it's not just about saying the words. You have to actually listen to her concerns and emotions to truly understand what she's going through. When you do that, this phrase becomes a powerful way to deepen your connection. Now, this one is at a game show, especially if she's in a relationship that isn't treating her well. Women sometimes stay in relationships because they feel obligated or because they don't want to face the uncertainty of leaving, but deep down they may know they deserve better. When you say you deserve so much better, it taps into her sense of self-worth. You're reminding her that she deserves respect, love, and attention, which she may not be getting from her current partner. This phrase can make her start to question whether she's truly happy in her current relationship, and it opens her mind to the possibility of seeking something more. Of course, don't overuse this phrase, and don't say it in a manipulative way. It's meant to empower her, not make her feel bad about her choices. But when timed right, this phrase can plant a seed of doubt about her current situation, especially if she's already feeling unappreciated. This phrase works because it flatters her in a way that feels genuine. When you tell a woman that she's unlike anyone else you've met, you're highlighting her uniqueness. Every woman wants to feel special and irreplaceable. She wants to believe that she stands out from the crowd. By saying, "I've never met anyone like you," you're telling her that she's not just another pretty face or a casual acquaintance. You see her for who she really is, and you appreciate her individuality. This phrase makes her feel valued in a way that her current partner may not be doing. The key here is to make sure it's specific. Don't just say the phrase without meaning it. Find something unique about her. Maybe it's her sense of humour, her creativity, or the way she makes you feel. When you make it personal, this phrase becomes incredibly powerful. And finally, the fourth secret phrase, I feel so comfortable around you. This phrase might not seem as intense as the others, but it works because it lowers her defences. When you tell a woman that you feel comfortable around her, it shows vulnerability. And guess what? Vulnerability is attractive. Women are drawn to men who aren't afraid to open up emotionally. When you say you feel comfortable around her, it shows that you trust her enough to be yourself. This creates a safe space for her to be herself around you as well. It's in these moments of emotional safety that real connections are formed. Even with someone who might be in a relationship, this phrase also signals that you're not just looking G for surface, level interaction. You're genuinely interested in building a deeper connection, breaks down walls and allows her to see you as someone she can let her guard down with. So there you have it, guys. The 4 secret phrases that can create deep emotional connections with any woman, even those in a relationship. Now remember, these phrases are not magic tricks. You have to be genuine, authentic, and respectful when using them. It's all about creating real emotional connections, not manipulating someone. If you use these phrases sincerely, you'll notice a difference in how women respond to you. So if you found value in today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content like this and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on these psychological insights. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these phrases before and how it worked out for you. Until next time, guys, stay confident and keep growing.